Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another index card today, ICAD, and I am on day number 26, and the prompt for today is Gesso. So I have to use something with Gesso in order to make my ICAD. I'm using a 4x6 palette, and we're going to go from there. So what I've chosen to do is a Gesso resist. So I'm using this stencil by Crafters Workshop, and it is called Mini Flying Bird Doily. And that is the stencil. And so I am going to do a Gesso resist technique. Just use a little bit of Gesso. And I am going to, I should have put some washi over here to take this down, but I didn't. I am going to, this is not an evenly centered, what do you call it? It's off-centered, which is weird. You would think it would be even, but it's not. It's a little bit off. So, but that's okay. I'm going to go with it from there. I need to have some, put this on my skin so it won't be so tacky. Alrighty. I should have got some washi before I made this video, but nah. Anyway, so I'm just going to use my sponge. Now I'm just going to go through this and just dab me some Gesso. And I am going to dry it, and then I am going to color it. And the Gesso in this situation is going to act like a resist. Alrighty. Boom. So I will be back. I'm going to dry this, and then I will bring out my Distress Oxide, and I will color it. Alright, so I'm here with my Distress Oxides. I'm just going to do a little bit of coloring on top of this and see how they go. So I'm starting out with the mustard seed. No rhyme or reason to my colors. And then we're going to switch over to my tumble glass. Just see it more with the tumble glass than you can with the mustard. And then we're going to switch over to the cracked pistachio. I may go over that yellow. Just looks like you can't see it. So we're going to just working it in. And you can see definitely more on the darker colors than you can on the yellow colors than you can, yeah. But you definitely get the idea. So I'm trying to think if I want to come in, do a little. Can't see it quite as much on the yellow, but you can see it on the elements. And I'm going to go around this, I think, with my green. And then that could be it. I may put a sentiment on it. Not quite sure. And then I think that would be the end of this one for my gesso. This is my gesso resist. So you can use it as, you know, just like the other resist. So I'm going to put a sentiment on it and I will be right back. Alright, so this is why I just put these little stickers in. And these are some recollection stickers from way back in yonder. And I use this side just because the colors are popping a little bit more. And I think I'm going to add the Dollar Tree bling right there. And then we're going to add a little bit of the enamel dots that I got from Baby Crafts. And I think that is going to be it for me. Just to give it a little bit more around the gesso. A little bit more interest. And then I'm going to use some glue dots. We're just going to glue down some of these little enamel dots. Just some contrasting color. Keeping it simple, but just try to add something. A little detail. And then I think I'm just going to trace around and then we will be done. Thank you for watching and sticking along with me. And of course, if you want to copy the prompts, if you want to play along, or you want to do your own version at your own time, email me to get that. But that's going to be the final product, and that is my gesso resist. You can see that white in there. That is the gesso resisting the color from the ink. So this is gesso resist technique. And again, 757 ICAD challenge. If you do make any, or let me know so I can definitely check out what you made. And that is my submission for the gesso. So, and this is day number 26. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.